Good day everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating Lesson 6, Social Work Skills Applied to CSR. So in our past lessons, we already established how social workers are important to the corporate social responsibilities of these companies. Now, in this lesson, how do exactly social workers translate this expertise into effective CSR activities? Now, this lesson will explain and expound several social work skills that contributes to CSR and bridges the gap of this corporate intention into real positive outcome. That CSR effort is not just well intentioned, but it's also well or expertly executed. Our lesson objective for this lesson is to analyze and articulate the specific social work skills to enhance the effectiveness of CSR initiatives. Number two, to value this ethical and community centered approach that social work professionals bring this CSR, fostering appreciation of our role. And number three, to develop and present a practical application plan to demonstrate how social worker skills can be used to improve a specific CSR program. Now, let's move on the social work skills applied to CSR. As social workers, we have a unique set of skills and knowledge and values that makes us an asset to the company pag tayo yung nag-handle ng mga CSR activities na ito. No, our expertise in human behavior, social systems, and community development, ito talaga yung nakakatulong doon sa mga businesses at communities na makakasigurado tayo na yung ginagawa nating CSR ay effective at the same time ethical siya. Now, let's look at the key roles that social workers can play in implementing the CSR project and activities. Number one is the advocacy and policies. So one of the interventive role of a social worker is an advocate, right? So bilang isang advocate, we can influence the policy and to prioritize social and environmental responsibility of the company. No, yun yung unang-una niyang pwedeng maging malaking role sa company. May impluwensyahan niya na bigyan ng pansin ang social and environmental responsibility. Next is to promote the stakeholder engagement. Ibig sabihin, yung talagang kausapin, makipag-participate, i-reach out ang mga stakeholders natin. Ano? Alam naman natin sa pinag-aralan natin noong nakaraan kung ilan yung mga stakeholders natin. Particularly the marginalized communities. No? Ma-reach out natin yung mga marginalized communities sa ating CSR initiative para ma-ensure nating responsive yung gagawin nating CSR program sa kanila. Next is to lobby for responsible business practices. Ibig sabihin, let's advocate for regulation to promote responsible businesses at maging accountable tayo sa social and environmental impact ng ating mga business engagement, no, or business activities or practices. So that is for advocacy and policy. Number two is the community engagement. Since we have the deep understanding of the dynamics of the community, no, we play in crucial role in number one, building relationship. We are actually expert on building relationship with people and communities, and because of this, we can facilitate an open communication and collaboration with the communities, according to Bryson 2011. Number two is the needs assessment. No, as we engage with the community, the social worker skill in need assessment is very vital. No? The conduct of the comprehensive need assessment to ensure that our projects in CSR is really addressing the social issue of the community. Number three is empowerment and participation, meaning we are giving the community the ability to decide and design and implement the program na kasama po sila, hindi lamang po yung kumpanya. So yan yung community engagement role ng isang social worker, especially sa CSR, no? Building relationship, need assessment, empowerment, and participation. Third is the program development and implementation, no? So, ayan po, isa sa gawain ng social worker. So, ano po yung kanyang mga roles dyan? facilitate collaboration. So pwede tayong magkaroon ng mga collaboration with the government agency, NGO, NCO para talagang magawa natin at i-implement natin ang programang ito. Ano pa po? The monitoring and evaluation. No? We can implement or develop a monitoring evaluation framework to track our progress that impact our CSR programs. And next is to design the effective programs that align to the needs of the community. And lastly, the ethical guidance. No? Dahil ang social work is very bounded by the code of ethics, we can also apply this as a skill in CSR that we are really guided by an ethical guideline. So we can assist the businesses to develop and implement ethical guidelines in our CSR initiatives. We can provide training and education with regards to ethical consideration, and we can also the one who will address the ethical dilemma. So that is our four skills that we can apply. Social work skill, basic social work skill applying to CSR, our advocacy and policy, our community engagement, our program development skill, and ethical guidance skills. So to conclude, we have different role in social work skills, no, applying the social work skills in CSR, and we just need to move beyond intention into the practical and ethical community driven expertise that social workers can bring to the table. So social workers are the vital channels of the CSR, no, deeply rooted in the needs and values of the communities we serve. So it is essential for us to implement, to create a sustainable, equitable, and impactful change for our community. So for our discussion question number one, no, you can answer it in our comment section. How might the ethical principles of social work sometimes conflict with the profit-driven goals of a corporation? And how can social workers navigate these potential conflicts effectively? Next, considering the various skills discussed, which skill do you believe is the most critical for social workers working within CSR context, and why? How can the skills can be effectively measured and evaluated? And last question, imagine a corporation with well-funded CSR program that is failing to achieve its intended impact. What specific social work intervention could be implemented to redirect and improve the program's effectiveness? So that's our discussion questions for this lesson. You can answer it in our comment section. And that is our lesson 6 for corporate social responsibility and social work skills applied to CSR. Thank you very much.